Hey guys, Dr. Oscar with Revolution Health Center, continuing our conversation on headaches and what to do about them. They are very common. 9 out of 10 people report some level of headache on a regular basis, but I do want to say that they are common but not normal. You shouldn't be experiencing any headaches. And this is where chiropractic comes into play. It's very effective at reducing, if not getting rid of your headaches. And a lot of people don't know about that, so that's why I'm sharing this video. There is a connect. And the research supports this, that majority of headaches have a connect to your cervical spine and your neck, meaning that part of your headache comes from the fact that you've got tension and stress in your upper cervical spine and sometimes even across your shoulders that then leads to pressure and tension on the nerves that go up and wrap around your head, that wrap around your face as well too, and affect your sinuses as well. So what I wanted to share today was one of the tools that we use to help our patients get better results, getting to a place where we're greatly reducing headaches, if not getting rid of them. And what we have here is what's called a cervical wedge. And it's just that. It's a wedge-shaped device here that we'll send patients home with. And what they'll do is they'll lie down on their back with this wedge under their neck. And what that pressure does, you repeat it and do it consistently, it helps support the adjustments, which are designed to take tension and stress off your neck and off the nerves, off your structure, and then this helps support the adjustments in terms of creating greater stability so you'll be more stable moving forward. It helps mold and shape the cervical spine. What I like about this wedge specifically is that it is adjustable depending on your height, your size, your age. You may need a different sized wedge to be able to lie down on, and this wedge specifically comes apart like this to be able to then adjust that. And there are a lot of patients that come in that can't even handle the amount of pressure that this small piece puts on their neck. They're just that tense and that tight that we start them off here with little, and as they release, and as the tension is released, and as they start getting better, we add more wedge to then really help mold and shape the cervical neck, getting your neck into a better place where you have less tension and stress on your nerves and nervous system, which then, like I said, can greatly reduce, if not get rid of headaches. Chiropractic's pretty cool in that respect. So just wanted to share a little tool that we use in the office. If you have any questions, please message below, and we'll see you in the office. God bless.